Hello, my name is Emanuela Eze. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, kindly subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you. Hello guys, trust you all are doing fine. Please forget the cap. There is something very important I would like to share with you all, okay? How to keep your Facebook account safe. So there is something you have to turn on, a particular setting you have to turn on your Facebook account. If you know that you are posting AI content, whether AI video, AI images or flyer, go and turn it on. Watch this video from start to finish so that you will see how to turn it on, okay? On the three lines above, this lines here at the left hand side, you can see it here at the top. Click on it this way, okay? It will bring you to this place. Make sure you scroll downwards and click on settings and privacy. Click on settings please, okay? So scroll down this way and click on profile details. When you click on profile details, it's going to bring you to this place. Now you see this place that says AI creator. Okay, click on this AI creator, click on it this way and click on yes here, and then you click on save below. That is it, okay? That's just how to turn it on, please, okay? So if you know that you are someone that posts AI content online, whether image, videos, flyer, please turn this setting on. Go and turn yours on now. It's very, very important, okay? If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share. So when you turn it on, this is how it will appear on the face of your profile. You can see mine here, AI creator. This is very important so that your account will not be flagged down, okay? So go and turn yours on now.